Evening, good afternoon. Happy 4th of July, people around the world. I hope you're having a blessed and safe day. Enjoy your day. And here in Chicago, it's super hot. But I'm making this quick video. It's not going to be very long. It's for you people, beginners or whatever, who want to make their own barbecue sauce. I know it's sometimes everybody make it like it's hard, but you can put your own spin on this recipe I got. This recipe I use. And I hope you like it. And you can always put your own spin on it. Give it a try. These barbecue sauce recipes, quick and easy for anyone to make. All you need: 2 quarts of white vinegar, 2 cups blender, no calorie sweetener, granulated, 1.5 cup ketchup, 1.5 cup Worcestershire sauce, 1/4 cup hot sauce, 1/4 cup of salt, or you can use sea salt. For those who don't want to use the regular salt, the Morton salt or whatever, you can use sea salt. It works too. 1/4 cup of ground black pepper. Combine all ingredients in a bowl, stir well. Pour in a large jar. If you don't have one, go buy one. It don't cost much. Go down to Walmart, grab one of those. This the way you can put your sauce in it. Shake it up well. That's it. And you just create a Southern style barbecue sauce. And like I said, you can always put your own spin on it. Taste it, try it. It's a test run. See if you like it. I love it. Makes the food taste, your ribs taste delicious. And you can also, once you shake it up, you could put it on the stove and let it simmer a little. Put a little heat to it, And then once you're done with your ribs, you can mop it on your ribs. Put the ribs back on the grill if you like, or you can go as is. It doesn't matter. But I hope you like this recipe. Let me know what you think in the comment box. Don't forget to subscribe too. Thumbs up, thumbs down. You know what this channel's all about. It's about information, health, wealth, investments, whatever. Now I'm throwing out some recipes because this summer is going to be super hot. People are going to be in the backyard barbecuing, and you always want to have your own have your sauce. Here's a special sauce. You like to say, you always put your own spin on it, or try something else. You can always add to it. And I hope you have a blessed day. Oh, I forgot. I'm going to leave some links in the description box for if you want to take this up to a whole new level. Have your backyard really turning the heat up and getting some more recipes. I'm going to leave some links in the box, in the description box, that you can go check out this recipe cookbook for barbecue. Then if you want to learn how to make your own grill, I got links in that in the description box for that too. It's always a pleasure. I hope you guys love this video. I hope you try this recipe out. Don't forget to subscribe. Thumbs up, thumbs down. Criticism is always welcome here. Enjoy your 4th of July. Be safe. Watch out with them firecrackers and all them fireworks. Watch the kids. Watch the babies. Make sure they're safe and maintain and keep an eye on them. This is Terry Clark, a.k.a. Papa 51, signing off. Enjoy your day.